If you want to collect opinions, feedback, or customer insights, creating a survey with tally forms is one of the easiest ways to do it. In this guide, I'll show you how to create a survey step by step. First, log in to your Tally account. Then click New Form to start building your survey from scratch or choose a template. Start by adding a clear title and short introduction. This helps respondents understand the purpose of your survey. Now add your survey questions. You can use multiple choice, rating scales, or short text questions depending on what feedback you need. For feedback surveys, rating or scale questions are really useful. Yeah, they help you measure satisfaction or opinions more clearly. To get complete responses, make important questions required so users can't skip them. If your survey is more advanced, you can use conditional logic to show different questions based on previous answers. You can customize your survey with headings, sections, and branding to make it look more professional. Before publishing, preview your survey to make sure everything looks clean and works properly on all devices. Once you're ready, click Publish. You can then share your survey using a link, email, or embed it on your website. After sharing, you can track all responses in real time from your Tally dashboard. And that's how to create a survey with Tally forms. So with the right questions, you can easily collect valuable insights from your audience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.